Long legs, a long neck, and a sharp beak. Meet the herons, masters of stealth. Standing silently in shallow waters, their beak is perfectly poised for action, ideal for spearing fish and other small aquatic animals. With over 60 species, most herons thrive in aquatic ecosystems. However, these adaptable and opportunistic hunters also venture onto land, catching mice and other small rodents with precision. With sharp eyesight and stealthy movements, they stalk and catch their prey both day and night. Watch as the heron takes flight, its neck curved in an S shape, a distinctive sight in wetlands and beyond. Herons are magnificent birds, admired and depicted in many cultures and art forms, symbolizing grace, wisdom, patience, and strength. Subscribe for more interesting facts.